tell them put up or shut up. Grown men talking motherfucker, put your bet up. Applying so much pressure, so why would a nigga let up? My presence is so vicious, make them nervous like a setup. Okay, I'm back to handle business. I took a small vacation, the industry started tripping. The jeans are getting tighter, niggas fucking manly women. These bitches acting like niggas, you can hardly tell the difference, Lord. I done let them get too comfortable. I wasn't thinking, should've let them put a plug on you. You bust a move, I'ma fill you in like number 2. I'm fully blooded, you mixed breed, we muzzle you. I live in hell, you might as well, I summon you. Imagine how I feel when your competition under you. I done took so long to drop, nobody is safe. I got bigger fish to fry, I was using y'all as bait. I told you niggas I was coming. Too many niggas walking, man, ain't none of y'all running. I gave you too much time, dog, it's not up for discussion. You ain't in the game by now, boy, you might as well unplug it. I tried to tell you that I'm here. I listened to him talk, I done had it up to here. Too many chances given and y'all still sound the same. I'ma finish what I started, they ain't gotta know my name, nah.